Hey friends, Tux here. I want to do a quick follow-up video on the trim kit I reviewed recently. Sorry for the dirt. I'm actually working on my car right now. I've removed the door panel using that very trim kit. And I just wanted to talk to Corvette owners out there, C7 owners, if you have any apprehensions about doing this. Just a few quick tips. On the top here, we do have metal clips, as you can see. Okay, so metal clips, and they go all the way across the top here. There's several of them, all the way down. And then on the sides here, we have the two 10 millimeter bolts. Okay, one is right here in the center, okay, and one is over in the corner, and then there's also some torque screws. Okay, but all in all, it's a pretty simple process. This is what it looks like once it's removed. There's another C7 parked out back. There we go. You see black, all the ones, and there's one here that didn't come out right. You see this one here, and if you get in like this, it's very easy. All you have to do is remove the fastener from the actual female bracket and then just put this back in the door. Okay, so very simple to do that. It's not that hard. They do sell, and I will link a aftermarket kit on Amazon. It doesn't look exactly the same, but it should do the job in a pinch. Okay, and of course this is the same procedure. You know, a while back I have another video where I had to replace this Bose speaker through the dealership. That was quite expensive, largely because of the effort and time involved in removing, you know, all these pins, all these clips to actually make it work. Oh, there's my cat. So anyway, that is the deal on that. So it's all in all a pretty easy process. My cat wants to help. Just really, you know, not a bad time. Very easy to get into here. Reasons why you might want to do this: maybe because you're tinting the windows, maybe because you're replacing, you know, a speaker, maybe you just want to replace the whole door panel, you know, get a new one. Whatever the reason, it's not that bad. Just know metal clips up top, very simple, and all through the sides here, all these little fasteners. Okay, so lots of fasteners, but very easy. I would say the whole job of taking it off, take your time, don't rush it. You know, you really want to make sure you do it right. Okay, looking at the inside of the door panel, here's a wide view for you, just to give you an idea. Sorry, I just have this parked out in the driveway here, so don't mind the gravel and whatnot. And there you go, you can see lots of fasteners, lots of clips, and of course there's that big old Bose speaker, which sounds so good. But you might have to replace every now and then, you never know. I had to replace it once when I first bought my car. So anyway, someone blew the speaker, so it was probably me blowing the speaker, unfortunately. Hey guys, quick little pro tip for you. When putting the new door panel back on or putting your old door panel back on, just make sure that you actually start with the bottom with the bolts, and once you get the bolts lined up here and down here, then you can go ahead and start working on the clips on the top and the sides. Okay, so again, bolts come first. Be gentle, take your time at it. Okay, that's the most important thing, is you don't want to have problems. Take your time. As far as torque wrenches go, I do have a really good review of this set here, which I got a while ago. I reviewed it, it was probably about a year or so back, but if you look back on Tux Reviews, you'll see a review of this set right here, and it really did save my life. It's really a great set, not real expensive. It's the type of thing you really should have in your toolkit just in case. So anyway, again, you'll need two 10 millimeter bolts removed and two torque, okay? And you gotta have that on file, and this is a lot easier than using a little hand wrench, so highly recommended. Okay, so I got the door panel reinstalled. You can see it looks beautiful. A few quick afterthoughts that I want to throw in there. If you're taking the door off and replacing it, or taking the door off to do tint job, basically you want to make sure, be careful about this. I personally would start with the top. I've seen some YouTube videos where they start at the bottom and work their way up. I really find it better to start with the top, you know. It just seems like once that's lined up, you can go like screw by screw by screw, you know, like a little plastic clip by clip by clip, to make sure that they're all lining up evenly. But this top part, if you have this lined up good, your whole thing is gonna fall in place really nice. So I'd highly recommend it. Again, it's just two torque screws, two 10 millimeter, and then all the little clips, you know. But all in all, very easy job. The other side's a little bit different, so I'm gonna make a separate video for that. But very easy. It's something you really can do. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. tuxtoys@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Hey.